You are listening The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Discover proven methods to streamline your financial approach and maximize your money's meaningful contribution to the world. Managing personal finances often seems daunting and complex. Financial advisors constantly promote new approaches, trending stocks capture headlines, and countless experts promise exclusive secrets to extraordinary riches. However, what if building genuine wealth doesn't require following the latest fads or mastering complicated formulas, but instead relies on enduring, practical fundamentals? What if achieving financial success means understanding basic concepts and maintaining the self-control to follow them consistently? Beyond all the financial chatter exists a clearer, more logical approach. This method doesn't demand jumping between investments or attempting to predict market timing perfectly. It's an approach where keeping things simple becomes the cornerstone of financial prosperity, not just a nice-to-have feature. Through this exploration, you'll discover the benefits of uncomplicated investing, understand why trying to beat the market often backfires, and learn why maintaining calm during market turbulence proves essential. You'll explore the power of index funds, understand portfolio rebalancing, and recognize why thinking long-term matters most. Further along, you'll gain insights about retirement planning and find fulfillment in charitable giving. Master these fundamentals, and you'll navigate financial decisions with both clarity and confidence. Building your path to financial freedom. Picture yourself free from debt's heavy burden, holding complete control over your life's direction. That control comes from what's called FU money. This liberating financial cushion provides the freedom to leave unsatisfying jobs or escape unfulfilling circumstances, putting decision-making power directly in your hands. Achieving this freedom requires transforming how you view money. Rather than focusing on immediate gratification that cash can buy, adopt a deeper, forward-thinking mindset. Visualize each dollar as a dedicated employee, working continuously in investment markets, growing and multiplying over time. This ongoing, compound expansion creates a vivid picture of wealth-building potential. Every decision carries consequences. Here we encounter opportunity cost. Spending money means more than just paying for something. You're sacrificing its future earning potential. Consider purchasing an expensive vehicle. That $40,000 might provide immediate satisfaction, but you're simultaneously giving up the significant returns that smart investing could have generated. When entering the investment world, think beyond mere numbers. You're purchasing ownership stakes in thriving businesses, becoming a participant in their success stories. Stock prices may fluctuate constantly, but solid companies strengthen their value foundations over time. Every journey encounters rough weather. Stock markets aren't smooth sailing, but volatile forces, where rising and falling prices occur naturally. Attempting to predict these market movements perfectly becomes a futile pursuit that even expert analysts struggle with. Market upheavals, from crashes to minor corrections, represent natural cycles in the market's rhythm. Historical data demonstrates that markets typically recover even from their steepest declines. Your navigation tool through these challenging times. Unwavering determination. Remaining invested, even when prospects appear grim, becomes crucial. Emotions, particularly fear, make terrible guides that lead investors astray. Years of compounded growth reward those who stay their course with steady determination, avoiding the traps of panic and hasty choices. In investing, patience becomes more than good advice. It's the lighthouse directing you toward financial independence. Understanding market dynamics. Picture yourself beside an ocean, observing waves consistently striking the coastline. Sometimes they arrive as gentle ripples, other times as powerful, thunderous forces. Similar to these ocean patterns, market crashes and corrections represent the stock market's natural rhythm. They're anticipated, regular, and fundamental to its character. Stock market history contains numerous meltdown episodes. The 1970s recession's shocks, Black Monday's devastating 1987 collapse, and recent disturbances like the dot-com burst and the threatening 2008 financial crisis. These incidents might appear intimidating, suggesting instability. However, stepping back to view the complete picture spanning over a century reveals a story of recovery. Markets don't simply bounce back, they climb higher, maintaining their steady upward path. The chaotic 1987 crash teaches important lessons about emotional reactions. Panic selling followed by buying back at higher prices during recovery demonstrates the dangers of reactive decisions, emphasizing timeless investment principles about the impossibility of predicting market downturns or their recoveries. While selecting individual winning stocks might seem appealing, this tempting strategy often leads to disaster. Even experienced investors admit to occasional stock-picking attempts, despite recognizing the minimal odds of consistently beating market performance. Research repeatedly confirms the same conclusion. Only a tiny percentage of professional money managers actually outperform broad market indices over extended periods. Here's an illuminating perspective. Consider market volatility like foam on your favorite beer. It's bubbly, unpredictable, and diverts attention from the actual beverage beneath. This beverage represents the true value of businesses, while the temporary foam symbolizes fluctuating prices. Certainly, stock market history includes stories of dramatic falls, like the Great Depression's nearly 90% value plunge. Yet with factors like dollar deflation softening such impacts, these catastrophic events remain rare exceptions in a history characterized more by recoveries than recessions. Another threat to wealth lurks nearby: inflation. This silent destroyer gradually erodes purchasing power, with extreme versions like hyperinflation causing devastation. While stocks can protect against inflation's damage, understanding your risk tolerance remains vital. The stock market's movement follows patterns of rhythm and resilience. Time invested in this dance proves infinitely more valuable than futile attempts to control its every step. While understanding the market's complex patterns provides valuable insight, transforming this knowledge into practical investment strategy becomes the next critical step in your financial journey. Building wealth through proven strategies. Investment markets experience inevitable fluctuations called market crashes and corrections. These events represent natural patterns, not unusual occurrences. Facing them demands resilience, not panic. While predicting or timing these market changes might seem tempting, such efforts typically lead to mistakes. Many ambitious investors pursue risky strategies, trying to identify winning stocks or discover exceptional, market-beating mutual funds. However, history reveals these approaches often create problems. This is where index funds shine, particularly VTSAX, Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund, which captures a comprehensive portion of the U.S. market by including approximately 3,700 public companies. It provides protection against impulsive decisions and the attraction of past performance records. History consistently tells the same story. Stocks dominate asset growth, outperforming alternatives like bonds, gold, and real estate. Despite facing periodic challenges, stocks demonstrate resilient upward movement over extended timeframes. Investment complexity might attract with its promises, but typically demands high costs through increased fees and inferior performance. The solution: a streamlined two-fund approach. VTSAX serves as the foundation for aggressive wealth building. When transitioning toward wealth preservation, add VBTLX, Vanguard's Total Bond Market Index Fund, representing 20 to 25% of holdings, helping reduce stock market volatility's impact. Rebalancing provides periodic adjustments, keeping your investment path aligned with goals while controlling emotional impulses. Every investor must balance risk tolerance with financial planning requirements. This balance ensures that during market storms, proper preparation prevents rushed decisions. VTSAX's broad scope, containing massive multinational corporations, gives investors worldwide exposure, reducing the need to diversify into other international funds. Above all strategies, one principle remains supreme: discipline. Constant market news creates distracting noise. Instead of following its call, concentrate on increasing savings and allow compound growth's powerful force to build wealth. Ultimately, in the vast investment ocean, simplicity and persistence serve as guiding principles. Trust proven funds like VTSAX, avoid market timing temptations, and let time's passage, combined with compound growth, guide you toward prosperity. Avoiding common investment mistakes. In investment's grand performance, some players promise starring roles, captivating audiences with dramatic market forecasts. However, accurately predicting market movements remains an impossible skill. While some predictors might temporarily enjoy success when their forecasts prove correct, it's typically luck rather than expertise. Amidst this noise, a quiet winner appears: simplicity. Investment markets overflow with complex stories and elaborate structures. Yet these sophisticated strategies often disappoint, weighed down by their complexity and expensive fees. Market mirroring funds, called index funds, excel through their straightforward approach. They purchase diverse stocks representing entire markets, avoiding the dangerous attempt to select specific winning stocks. Looking deeper, individual stock selection proves endlessly difficult. Even brilliant minds with extensive resources face challenges. Rebalancing offers stability in turbulent markets. By requiring investors to readjust holdings, it embodies the principle of buying low and selling high, protecting against emotional influences. Consider dollar-cost averaging's appeal, a strategy appearing logical. Yet compared to lump-sum investing over time, it often underperforms. This shortfall stems from a basic truth: markets naturally tend to rise more than they fall. Important warning: intelligence doesn't protect against fraud. Often, smart people fall victim to scams. Deceptive appeal isn't displayed by suspicious characters in dark places, but promoted by charming personalities in bright spotlights. Beneath these facades lie deception layers, each deeper than the previous. If an opportunity shines too brightly, it's probably worthless. International funds debate provides another consideration. While they suggest diversification benefits, their practical advantages become unclear when considering additional costs and currency fluctuation unpredictability. Each investor must design their portfolio, balancing risk appetite with life's requirements. While volatile assets encourage growth, their conservative alternatives provide stability. Furthermore, investment simplicity extends beyond financial benefits. It creates protection for family members, ensuring financial management continuity even when you're absent. Timeless advice. In the investment world, where myths flourish and opinions conflict, humility, skepticism, and simplicity become trusted companions. Embrace them, because humility protects both reputation and wealth. Retirement planning and giving back. As working life concludes in the United States, attention turns to retirement, highlighting two important questions: maximizing Social Security benefits and meaningful charitable giving. First, let's examine the Social Security puzzle. This system promises steady retirement income. However, determining the optimal claiming time becomes complex. Starting early at 62 might seem attractive, offering longer benefit periods with smaller monthly amounts. Alternatively, waiting beyond full retirement age provides larger monthly benefits but shortens the benefit period. Expected lifespan and spousal benefits significantly influence this decision. While Social Security faces financial challenges due to retiring baby boomers, it's unlikely to disappear because senior citizens vote consistently. However, people under 55 might see changes. Planning as if Social Security won't exist makes sense, treating any benefits as bonus income. For most people, Social Security often provides better returns than personal investments alone. Regarding philanthropy, giving brings joy while offering tax advantages. Donor-advised funds allow managing your personal foundation, ensuring donations are made precisely and tax-efficiently. Rather than spreading generosity thinly, concentrate it for meaningful impact. Be selective, ensuring contributions are used effectively and reach intended recipients. Sometimes the most powerful actions receive no public recognition. Direct giving, even without tax deductions, creates immediate positive community impact. Choose your philanthropic approach freely, as individual decisions can significantly improve the world through generous acts. In retirement planning, wisdom and preparation prove essential. Plan understanding Social Security's trade-offs and prepare for various scenarios. Base decisions on well-researched charitable causes and give passionately. Strengthen finances with personal savings, and if Social Security benefits arrive, accept them gratefully. With this solid foundation, give generously, creating lasting world impact. Key takeaways. Simplicity drives wealth creation. Adopt long-term thinking, letting compound returns create amazing results over time. Accept that market corrections will happen, but resist selling during downturns or trying to time markets. Instead, trust broad index funds like VTSAX for steady growth, while regularly rebalancing to maintain desired asset allocation. Approaching retirement, make educated Social Security decisions, considering longevity and potential benefits. Finally, when ready to contribute, do so purposefully, whether through charities or direct individual assistance. Using the right approach, you can manage your financial journey with confidence and simplicity, ensuring future security while creating lasting impact. If you enjoyed this book summary, smash the like button and subscribe for more. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.